Qatar Petroleum has called for different jobs in different areas for the freshers as well as the experienced people. Qatar Petroleum is basically a public sector undertaking company under the government of Qatar. So what you have to do is you have to go to the Qatar Petroleum website. Here, without any intermediate people or without any agency, you can directly apply. You can directly upload your CV and apply for the job in their own genuine website. That is the biggest advantage for all of us. So what you have to do is you have to go to this Qatar Petroleum website that you have. You can see that qp.co.qa bar en pages home.s.px. So you go to this website. Then after that, what you have to do is you go to the careers. I will show you what are the different types of careers they are offering. So here you can see the four options: login, search, agencies, and help. You go to the search. Okay, when you go to the search, you can see that you can have different types of job what they have called. See, I'm just clicked search. Okay, so you can see that a lot of jobs are offered, or you can see senior internal auditor, functional area is audit. This is the reference code. This is the published date is 15th July. Okay, then chief accounting assistant, senior IMS engineer, facility engineer, HES advisor, senior civil or structural engineering, senior instrument and electrical engineering, then senior cost engineer, senior project engineer, communication officer, investor relations officer, chief accounting assistant. Like that, they have called for lot of vacancies. So for example, suppose you want to know what is the qualifications, all these things, what you have to do is you have to just click on the senior Indian auditor. For example, I am showing senior Indian auditor. You can see the job posting. So there you can see the notifications. So initially there will be some brief description about the Qatar Petroleum Company. You can see Qatar Petroleum is a state-owned public corporation established. It is a government company. It's a public sector company owned by the government of Qatar, and it is finally for the this auditor, senior internal auditor. This is the primary purpose of the job. It is written. You can see the experience and skills for anybody who has having 5 years of internal auditing experience, including 2 years in industry experience. Then experience in minimum 2 years in the oil and gas industry is preferred. They have written. Then education qualifications have written. All these things you can read and you can apply for the job. So applying the job, what you have to do is I will show how to apply for the job. See, applying the job, what you have to do is I'm just pause this. I'm coming in the recruitment area. Here you can see the login option. So there you have to click. Actually, you have created a username and password. If you are coming for the first time, you have to log on means you have to create your username and password. Since I have already created the username and password, it is not required. It is already coming here, so I have to just log in. Okay, you after entering your username and password. After that, you can see this one. Okay, it is showing. So here you can see your profile. See, I have already written all the things and all. So here I have already applied for a job also. So that's why it's showing in my thing. So here you can see the person that you have to fill, your education training you have to fill, work experience you have to fill, attachments in it, all the attachment required. Then overview and release. Finally, you have to complete the application. You have to apply for that job. So this is like that. You have to upload your CV and apply for the any job which is written there. So this is a very good opportunity for those who are looking for abroad, especially in the Middle East area. Being a company having a very values and having a lot of experience in the industry. This company started in the year 1974 at that time. So it is a very old company. So it is a stable company. So those who are interested, they can use of this opportunity. Thank you all.